What is the best traffic source in 2026 that converts to ClickBank affiliate offers? So if you're promoting any kind of ClickBank weight loss supplements, maybe you're promoting digital info products, what you need is eyeballs, traffic source, audiences, right? Eyeballs to your offer. Now, the best thing is Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why Google? Because it's all about buyers' clicks. You need the buyers' clicks. The money is in the buyers list and buyers clicks. And how to get buyers? You get them by having the right strategy, the right fundamentals of affiliate marketing on your landing page and pre-sale pages. You see, the first stage is set up your quiz funnel, or let's call it landing page. I love quiz funnels. Why? Because it pre-qualifies people. It sends them, if done correctly, through different emotional states, and at the end, they come to your VSL on ClickBank and they buy the product. It's easy and simple as that. But first of all, if you want it to convert, you have to understand Google pay-per-click ads on a deeper level of this game. And how? You see, I always tell my clients and students, you have to understand people go on Google for only one or two reasons. One reason, and first, most important, is to get educated and then to make a buying decision, to buy a product. They have back pain, they want to lose weight. They go on Google and type in how to lose 50 pounds or 20 pounds of my belly fat in 30 days, right? And what they see your Google ad. Now, if you have the right message to the market match, my friend, you'll be able to get sales. It will convert to conversion rate that's going to be really high and get clicks and get sales. Okay, but if you did the job wrongly, incorrectly, you won't get any sales. You will just waste money on Google ads. And that's why many people are struggling to get results with ClickBank or Google pay-per-click ads in 2025, going to now in 2026. Okay, there's nothing wrong about Google. Google is great, but you just don't know exactly how to structure your ad campaigns correctly so you can get step-by-step sales, right? And I always tell my students and clients, look, when we work together one-on-one over the Zoom call, what I tell them is, look, let me structure your funnel on ClickFunnels, for example, or Go High Level, whatever you use. Let me structure it correctly so people go through emotional states, because marketing is all about psychology. Yes, I know there is ChatGPT, it's AI, but AI cannot do the job for you. AI is not a human being. Yes, you can test, try, and you will lose more time and more money on Google Ads. But once you have someone who can actually connect with you one-on-one, step-by-step over the Zoom call, you'll be able to actually see, heck, once for all, finally I can make money online with affiliate marketing. I can have sales, right? And then you can get the first milestone. And once you have enough hand-holding, you can move forward and become self-sufficient. That's the main goal of ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. Yes, maybe you have bought guru courses in the past and you have lost money and time. And again, it's not your fault. Why? Because you have been following the wrong, outdated methods that used to work years ago or even 6 months ago. And now things are changing. Okay? You need true personal relationship and true leadership to actually move forward and actually having results. And Google pay-per-click ads, if you do it and structure it correctly with positive keywords and negative keywords, you'll be able to avoid bad clicks, bad audiences that only waste your time and money, and actually use the positive keywords to attract the right type of customers to your affiliate business, okay? To your online internet marketing business in 2026. And all you have to do is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, so you can actually structure those campaigns correctly, all right, in 2026. So as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to do it step-by-step in 2026 as a newbie, as a beginner, even if you have never made any money online, okay, yes, you can do it, all right? There are people left and right making money online, all right? That's why Google is such a huge billion-dollar company, because people are paying millions of dollars on Google ads every single day. Whenever you have problem, you go on Google and search for it. So why don't you take advantage and leverage this to make money for yourself and your family in 2026? Now, I have been traveling to over 69 countries. You can go to my Instagram and my Facebook Messenger, even my personal WhatsApp number. You can text me there. Text me, send me a message, but only as long as you're serious and you actually want results with Google affiliate, Google pay-per-click ads, affiliate marketing in 2026. Okay, so do let me know. You can connect with me one-on-one. Everything is in the description below. The links to my WhatsApp, Instagram. You can email me, text me message, but only if you're really serious and want results in 2026.